yes, my feet. Ready to you now to go and wash them up. Then wash everything set. Then 3 minutes and I want the seasoning in my water course my chicken. Yeah man, then I got to the sizzling. Yeah. You can use the vinegar too, you know. Yeah man, if you have vinegar, yeah man, you have little vinegar in AM. Or if you don't have any vinegar, you use a sizzling. If you don't have one of these two, you use a lime or a lemon. You don't know how you can set now. Alright my peeps, this is it. Put in the chicken. Yeah man. Put in the chicken. Yeah. Yeah man, put in the chicken. Alright. Yeah man. Yeah man, you don't know, you smell the water. Yeah man, you have any right amount of juice and vinegar. Yeah man, smell right. So then place it, yeah man. You know, make your chicken stay in the cuttable and the lemon or lime or vinegar water for too long, right? Don't know anything go man, farmer wait and experience. Yeah, we can stay in the water for 3-4 minutes. Cause you don't know you have your vinegar and everything in the water. Yeah man. So it take away the rawness and any little thing on the meat. Yeah man. You take it off. So you don't want it to stay in it too long. Change the color of the meat also. Yeah. Man, so I do it, you know, so I clean up my meat, you know, spend time and clean up the meat properly, man. It's like a French fry, yeah. This one, yeah, brown stew, you cut him in two, but I just slice it up. After I done wash him and thing, don't know. If you have French fry, it's up to you, right? Yeah. I'm just show you how I do it. Farmer wait and experience. You slice him, yeah, because to the skin there on it, and you go fry it, you don't know it take more time to fry. So when you slice it now, the oil go through here so and fry the chicken more faster. But if you not slice it, it take more longer because we have the skin on it, it will take more time to fry, alright? Yes, my people man, so every man stay tuned and watch how I go on, you see. Yes, my people, I will give you the second wash that now. Yeah man. Second wash, you don't need no lemon, no lime, or no sour orange, or no vinegar. Because the first wash, do everything already. Take out the rawness, take out any little thing off of the meat and everything. Yeah man. Alright. This now, want to just take it for water. Rinse him out, okay? Don't know? There we go. Open it. Yeah man, to drain properly. You see what I said? Yeah man. yes, my people, it's about that time. See here, drain off properly and thing. Make sure the water already with drain. Yes, I'm just gonna show you. See chicken here now. See hello. Yeah man. See my wing clean and everything. Yeah. After you put on your seasoning on him and you go French fry him, you just fold it like this and we good to go. See there? You let everything clean up. Wonderful man. See there? Nothing. If you have a curry, when you clean him up, you chop him up how you want him. Brown stew, you chop him up how you want him. But when you have a French fry, yeah man, you just clean him up and show you. If you leave the skin on it, me show you in the video how me boom bang up the thing. Yeah man. I don't like skin by my meat, so this, take off the skin, the French fry. Who else I get? Like them skin and them meat, but me still clean it up properly and turn it over and things. See there? Meat up and running, man. Another time I show you how I do my seasoning also. So when I say peeps, so just subscribe, like, share and comment for my weight and experience. You don't know. Bless up on yourself. Alright? Peace. I'm out.